Hello Ellie, hello Katya. We will do multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, we have to draw place value chart. In previous video I told you have to draw 8, 9, 10, as many as you can, and then we will play this game. Okay, on Saturday, Sunday we also play this game. So write down 2.46 multiply by 10. Okay, when we are multiplying it by 10, so the number will be increased. Why? Because 2 tens 20 means this 2 will jump to this in tens place. So how many jump it took? Only one jump. So it will coming into tens place. Now 4 will also coming jump to the one place, and 6 will also coming to the tenth place by jumping one. Okay, so one column jump they will do, and the value will be changed now. It is now 24.6. Okay, earlier it was 2.46, now it is becoming 24.6. What does it mean? Means decimal shift from here to here in between 4 and 6. So it is 24.6. Clear? Now we will do the same number, but here we are doing division. Means we are dividing it into parts. So it means it will become less. Okay, so what does it mean? It means this value decimal will coming to the front side. Okay, front side of 2, because now it is less. Okay, for example, see here, draw this place value chart. Okay, decimal in the center, and then rest come in columns are ones, tens and hundreds. Here tens, hundred and thousands. So what will happen? This 6 will jump to the towards right side, because the value is decreasing now. Okay, so 6 is coming towards the hundredth is much smaller than tenth or these numbers. So this is the smallest value. Okay, this is the bigger from all these two. This 4 is bigger than 600. Okay, so this way we will see that when we are dividing any number, then at that moment it will be decrease, it will become less. So how much less? Because only we are 10 times 2 is 20. It is but here it is not 10 times 2, we are dividing it. Okay, so it will become less. So it is saying, okay, I am going back to the 10th corner, means only one jumping back side will be there, only back jumping one column, because it is reduced. You saying, oh, I am less now. 6 is also saying I am one less, means hundredth now. So this is from hundredth is changed to thousandth, tenth changed to hundredth, and ones changed to tenth. So it is reduced, right? Because 2 is bigger than this 2 tenth. Right? So that is why when we divide any number, the value will be reduced. How much it reduces? By tenth we will see it is reducing by 2 is converted into 2 tenth now. So value will be now there is nothing, because it is shifted to this column. So it is 0. So we will write on 0.246. It is now 246th. 200th th will be there. Okay, 246th th will be there also. Clear to you? So it is value is reduced. So when we divide any number, the value is reduced. Now we'll take second example. Here it is 678 divided by 10. Same thing we have to do. Make a place value chart first. Now I will show you in front of you. Now when we divide this 8, so it will be coming to which place? It is coming to the first place here, and then 7 will come to this place, 6 will coming to this place, 8 will coming to this place. Back side they are doing moving. Okay, again I will say they will be moving back side, because they becoming less. They are becoming less, so they are moving. See, this 8 is coming one column left, right, one column right less, one column less here. So now it is, if it is here, so now 6 is here, 7 now coming to here, 8 is now coming to here. Okay, so what does it mean? And decimal will remain as such. So it is now 67 decimal 8. So I have written here 67 decimal 8. It is less value, right, Ellie? So now 678 was there. So we will put decimal, and decimal 2 decimal coming over here. Now it is 1 decimal, only 1. Sorry, 1, my baby, 1. Okay, so it is having 67.8. When we divide by 200, then there will be two decimals, 2 digits shift. Okay, when divide by 10, only 1 digit shift over there. and when we divide it by 100, so this decimal will coming in between this, means 678 divided by 100, so it will be coming 6.78. How? By 2 column jump. See, this 8 is jumping from this column and this column, it is coming 8 here. Now this 7 is jumping from this column and this column, so now 7 will be here, and 6 will coming this column is first column, second column, so 6 is here. This is 6, okay. 6 7 8. So 6 point decimal will remain as such. No need to worry about decimal. Decimal will remain as such, and we have not to touch the column of decimal. Okay, so answer will be 6.78. Yay, grandma, I know it. Clear to you? 678, when hundreds it is divided by 100, we have to shift this 8 into 2 column back. It will be less now. 7 will be jumped 2 column back. Now it is less now. 6 is jumping 2 column, second column, so it is now 6. Earlier it was 600, but 100. See, I told you earlier, 600 divided by 100, these 2 0 will be cancelled out. Only 6 will remain. Now it is changed into ones, right? So when we are dividing, it is becoming less. Clear, Ellie? Now again I will show you another example. 545 divided by 10. Write down. Go place value chart you have to make. I told you, you have to make 5 6. I will say 10. Oh, grandma, so many. Yes, sweetie, so many. Okay, so it will be very fast then. Okay, now 545 divided by 10. So write down in the place value chart. This is 500, 4 tens and 5 ones. 545 we have written. Now divided by 10, oh, it will be less. So it will be 1 column back. It will be 1 column jump. It will be 1 column jump back towards. So 5 is coming to 10th place. Here this 4 tens coming to 1's place, and this 5 is coming to 10th place. Now it is becoming 54. Decimal will remain as such. So write down like this: 5 4 decimal 5, 54.5. So easy, right? So this what does it mean? Suppose there will be decimal. Earlier it was not decimal. I am putting decimal here. Now it is, suppose this is decimal. This decimal is coming to the here in between 54 and 5. Better you will know from here. Okay, 54.5. Clear? Now place value chart and arrow use for the division of 678 divided by 100. Earlier I told you, write on 678. Okay, now divided by 100 means 2, it will be jump to second column. So first column this, second column this. I told you that we will not, decimal will remain intact. We will not see this decimal. Decimal will remain intact. We have not to disturb this decimal. Okay, so here 8 is coming to this side, second column. 7 will jumping to first column, second column. 7 will coming here, first column and second column. From here to see, this is this column, first and second. This column will leave it. Now this will be shifted to this column and this column. This will be shifted to this column and this column. 2 column from this. Here 2 column, second column, 2 column, second column. Okay, now it will be 6.78. Right, Ellie? What does it mean? Means it will be becoming very less. 600, I told you that time also, 600 divided by 100, 100 cancel. 6, only 6 remain. So 6 will be there. Clear? We are doing rechecking by this. Okay, whether our answer is right or wrong, and just after that you have to put decimal and 7 8 as it is. It is now 6.78. Okay, so this is the this is how we are doing decimals. See, divided by 10, 2.46 divided by 10. So what we have to do? Write on 246. 2 decimal 46. Okay, now what we have to do? Divide by 10. So 1 column it will jump back. So 6 will coming to this place, 100,000 place. 4 is coming to 100 place, and this 2 is coming to 10th place. Now write down the same thing: 2 4 6. All the values you have written, put it here, and decimal. Now there is no any number, so you have to write 0 over here. So what will be the answer? When 2.46 divided by 10, answer will be from here. You will get 0.246. Write down in the box. Then it's so easy. Yes, sweetie, it is very easy. Okay, and so dividing by 10, 2 goes to smaller, means all these are them are going to smaller columns. 2 is small, 10th is smaller column, it is going to smaller column. Now here 678 I earlier discussed, we have discussed a lot about it. Clear? Do you have any problem to understand, my sweetie? No, grandma. You are my sweetie pie. See, 678 divided by 100. What I did? I jumped 2 column here, first column and second column. This 8 takes the position of in the second column back. Okay, lower value. 7 will having lower value. How many? 1 and 2. 2 column lower. Here it is coming to the 10th place. Now 6 is also coming to the first column and second column. Okay, this is the column in which 6 is there. So this column and this column, second column. Here 7 belongs to this column and this column, second column 7 will be coming. In 8, this column will, first column, second column 8. All of them should be in the same line. Okay, so 6.78 is the answer. I think, my sweetie, it's this is very nice, very funny. Oh, grandma, how you have done it? See, 46 divided by 1000. Oh my God. Oh, my sweetie, nothing to be worried. Only had to jump 3 columns back. Earlier in 10 we were jumping 1 column back. In 100 we were jumping 2 column back. Okay, 1 and 2 column, right? And here only 1 column back, here 2 column back. Here we are jumping 3 column back, 1, 2 and 3. This 7 is here, 1, 2 and third column 7 will come. This 6 is in this column and it is jumping to the first, second and third. So here it will be 0.678. 0.678. Now there is no any number because they all shifted beyond this. Okay, they are coming into this side. There is no number here, so it will be 0 now. So when 678 divided by 1000, it will become 0.678. Very easy. Listen very carefully. Now they are jumping by 3. Okay, towards left, towards decrease. They are decreasing now. They are becoming less value because division is there. See, if you have 10 apple and I will say divide it into 2 parts. So 2 parts means you have to give 5 apples to grandma and 5 apples to grandpa. Now you have no apple because you had given those 10 apples, 5 to grandma and 5 to grandpa, right? So you have no apple, right? Like that 678 are shifted from here to here. There is nothing, so value is less, 0.678, because they are shifted to this. Clear to you? Now here 46 divided by 1000. So what you have to do? You have to make this 6 which is present in ones place 46. Okay, this is 46, 4 tens and 6 ones. So this will jump to the third column. This is the first column. After decimal we have to see. This is the first column. I will put this pen here. Okay, so that it will be easy. Why you are moving? Pen, stay here. Don't move. I am teaching my granddaughters. Please. Oh, now it is good. See, so this is 6. So 1 column, 2 column, third column. Okay, look. First column, second column, third column. 6 is coming to the third column. Now 4 will jump to this first and this second and third. Now this is only 2 digits are there, nothing here. So we'll put this there 0 because there is no value here because there is nothing. So put here 0. So here also 0, here also 0. There is nothing, here is also nothing. So you have to write on 0.046. So 46 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.046. Okay, 0.046. So see, this is coming to be this place. Clear to you, Ali? 10th, 100th and 1000th place. See, it is so reduced. It is coming to the 1000th place. Right? Clear to you? Oh my God. It's very easy, Ellie. You have to practice, my sweetie. And then it will be very easy for you. Okay, you write down as it is, as grandma has written. Take a paper, copy it down and let me know whether you find it easy or not. Okay? Just I am holding it. You have to draw this. Clear? That is why I am saying make a place value chart. This type of chart is called place value chart. Okay, you make this and then put the value and get the answer. All the best. Love you, sweetie. God bless you.